Ant Academy.
Crocodile.
Crocodiles are large reptiles belonging to the family Crocodilidae and are often found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world. Size and weight, they can vary significantly in size, with some species, like the saltwater crocodile, growing up to 23 feet, 7 meters, long and weighing over a ton. Body structure, crocodiles have a long, V-shaped snout, powerful jaws, and sharp teeth designed for gripping prey. Their bodies are covered with tough, scaly skin that provides protection. Coloration. Typically, crocodiles have a dark green or brown coloration, which helps them blend into their natural habitats. Habitat and distribution. Habitat. They are commonly found in rivers, lakes, wetlands, and coastal regions. Crocodiles are semi-aquatic, spending considerable time in water and on land. Geographical distribution. Crocodiles are present in Africa, Asia, the Americas, and Australia. Reproduction. Egg-laying. Female crocodiles typically lay between 20 to 80 eggs in nests made of vegetation near the water. The temperature of the nest can influence the sex of the hatchlings. Parental care. Unlike many reptiles, some crocodile species show parental care, protecting their young as they hatch and helping them reach the water. Conservation status. Many crocodile species face threats due to habitat loss, climate change, poaching, and illegal trade. Many crocodile species face threats due to habitat loss, climate change, poaching, and illegal trade. Conservation efforts are in place to protect endangered species and their habitats. Cultural significance. Crocodiles have been depicted in various cultures, often symbolizing power and strength. They feature prominently in both ancient and modern mythology, art, and literature.